Hello YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. Today we are going to be reviewing a product called ListMe. This is the latest creation from Cynthia Benitez. So right now we're on the bonus page and we have a lot of amazing bonuses lined up for you. If you pick up the product via the links from this bonus page, they're in the description below, so click on that link. It'll take you to this bonus page where you can click on any of the big orange yellow buttons and pick up your copy today. So before we get into the bonuses, let's go ahead and see what you will get when you purchase this product. So here we are inside the dashboard of ListMe. So this is an over-the-shoulder training that goes through how to create a campaign on Google Ads to help you build a list of buyers or potential buyers and get them on your list so that you can market to them later. So to start off with, you have a welcome module, and then she walks through what the product's about, tells you the method that you're going to be using. She has a section on building a landing page, and then another section called the list, which shows you how to get those opt-ins on your mailing list. And you have the setup, which is getting into AdWords and creating your account. And then the next video module is the campaign, which teaches you how to set up the campaign. She goes over a discount code that's available for AdWords and how you can get it. She goes over some of the results she produced utilizing this method, and then there's a conclusion video. So these are the bonuses that are available to you by the vendor. You have bonus number 1, how I make $2,000 selling traffic. You have bonus number 2, which is some video software. You have bonus number 3, which is an affiliate marketing course. And then bonus number 4 is a freebie page packed full of additional freebie products. So let's go ahead and jump back on over to the bonus page. So here we are on the bonus page. We have a little overview of what the product is. The product once again is called ListMe. Learn how to build a quality email list fast and cheap. So what is ListMe all about? ListMe is a brilliant way to build a quality list fast and cheap. All you need is explained in the training and not a step is skipped. It's a very easy method to implement. Anyone can do it. You can start building your list an hour from now. This is a proven method to build for pennies on the dollar. You just have to do it. Make money while building your list. It's easy. $50 to $100 a day, and you can build a quality list. So the price and upsells. So the front end on this is $7.95. You get access to ListMe and all the training modules. Upsell number 2 is list building on steroids. She'll teach you more ways of building your list with free and paid strategies. ListMe Rolodex. That's upsell number 2. She'll give you exact details on the most successful campaigns, targeting, keywords, etc. Upsell number 3 are reseller rights, where you have the opportunity to sell this product as your own and you can keep all the commissions yourself. And then upsell number 4 is coaching for $197, coaching for a month, where she'll help you with anything you need regarding internet marketing. So there you have it. Front end $795, upsell number 1 is $17, upsell 2 $37, the reseller rights are $67, and coaching is $197. And again, some of the key benefits you may be interested. Step-by-step training, there's no experience required, results-driven method, no product creation is needed, it's proven to work, and it only takes minutes to set up. And these are the big gold orange colored buttons I was telling you about earlier. There, you can click on that and it will take you to this sales page. This is the sales page where you can pick up your copy of ListMe. It goes over some of the benefits again. We've already kind of covered all that. There's some proof of income that she provides. You can see where she's generated a bunch of new contacts on her list, where it's an easy, simple 3-step process. Step 1, sit back and enjoy the step-by-step training. Step 2, copy exactly what you see in the course. And step number 3, sit back and watch your list grow. Alright, so let's jump on over back to the bonus page and we'll go over the bonuses that I've got lined up for you. Some of these bonuses were set up by John Armstrong. I'm working with him in a training program, and he's kindly allowed me to give these to you. And then I have a couple of exclusive bonuses that I'm giving to you today if you pick up via any of the links on this bonus page, and the link to the bonus page is in the description below. Alright, bonus number 1, access limitless traffic. It's only good for the first 24 hours, so you're going to want to jump in and get this product right away. And this product launches Sunday morning, May 24th at 6 a.m. So you want to grab it the first day that it launches, and that is Sunday the 24th. Bonus number 2, over 2,500 email swipes that you can use once you get your list compiled. Bonus number 3 is access to Jono's DFY campaigns for 365 days, so you can utilize those new leads that you just got from building your list, and you'll have a campaign that you can market to them every day of the year for the next year. Bonus number 4 is how to make $2,000 a day with affiliate marketing. This will give you the basic steps on how to do affiliate marketing and earn some commissions with that business model. Now we're into one of my exclusive bonuses. The product teaches you some AdWords, which is a Google platform product or advertising, and then I've thrown in a bonus traffic tutorial for Facebook ads. So this will get you going. You can start building a list either off of Google or Facebook or both. So the next exclusive bonus I have for you is a bonus tutorial called A Lazy Man's Gold Mine. And this is an alternative way to set up a passive recurring income, and it takes you step by step through the process on how you can do that. And lastly are all the vendor bonuses we covered when we went through the dashboard of the product ListMe. So there you have it. Thanks for watching my review video. Go ahead and click like, leave a comment. The interaction helps my videos, and I certainly would appreciate that. And then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can click the notification bell, and it will notify you when I post another one of these review videos, and you can check out that product and see how it would fit into your arsenal. Thanks again. My name's Darrell Hammond, and I appreciate you stopping by, and we will see you on the flip side. Take care.